How to upgrade to Windows 11. First, your computer has to be connected to the internet, then open any browser. In this case, we will use the Edge browser. Type download Windows 11. Click and open the first link and scroll down to the download Windows 11 disk image section. On the drop-down list, select Windows 11 Multi-Editions ISO for 64-bit devices and click download. Before you choose language, make sure you know the language for your computer. Let me show you how to do that. Click the Windows button and choose Settings. Type language setting on the search bar and select language setting. If the language is English United States, that's what you will use. So go back and click confirm, download. When the download is finished, choose your language and confirm. Click 64-bit download. When the download is finished, open download folder and copy the ISO file to your desktop. Right click the ISO file and select mount. A virtual DVD drive with all the Windows 11 files will open. Select all the files, then go to search and type cmd and click enter. Then type setup product server, then click enter. Your Windows 11 files will load, so you will have to click yes. Install your Windows setup from server. Click next and accept the terms and conditions. Select keep apps and files and click next. Install. It will take some time, but your computer will restart. Make sure your computer is always plugged in power. Now, after some few minutes, you'll have your Windows 11 in your computer. Thank you for watching and watch out for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to someone who might need it. Thank you.